In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. We'll begin by bringing your PDF into view. Head to the menu in the upper left corner and choose Open. In the file picker that appears, navigate to the PDF you want to adjust, select it, and confirm. Your document will load right away so you can get to work. With the file open, locate the exact text you want to resize. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to highlight the word, sentence, or paragraph you plan to change. You should see the selection turn active, indicating Acrobat recognizes it as editable text. If you can't highlight the content, the PDF might be scanned or protected, and editing controls may be limited. In a standard editable PDF, though, highlighting should work as expected. Next, look to the left side of the interface and click Edit. This switches Acrobat into its editing workspace and reveals the tools you need to modify text. Once you're in edit mode, choose text. Selecting text ensures Acrobat knows you want to work with the textual content rather than images or other elements on the page. You'll see handles and a formatting panel that relate to the text you've selected. Now focus on the formatting options, typically grouped together near the text controls. Find the font size setting. It's usually displayed as a number with a small arrow or drop-down indicator next to it. Click the drop-down button to open the list of available sizes. From here, select the font size that fits your layout and readability goals. As you pick a size, Acrobat applies it to your highlighted text. You'll see the change immediately, which helps you judge whether the new size keeps line breaks, spacing, and alignment looking clean. If you choose a significantly larger size, be mindful that text can reflow and push onto a new line or even the next page. So pick a size that balances clarity and layout. After making your selection, look over the paragraph to confirm everything still looks consistent with the rest of the document. The updated text should now match the size you chose. That's all there is to it. Open the PDF, highlight the text, switch to Edit, choose Text, and select your new font size from the dropdown. With these steps, you can quickly standardize headings, improve readability, or make key details stand out. Thanks for watching and enjoy polishing your PDFs with confidence.